Hey there, welcome back. So today we will talk about sorting of element when it comes to list. Now friends, in here we have this list of countries and this is not based on alphabetic order. And if we wish to make this list of countries based on alphabetic order, then the way is pretty simple. Let me show you. First of all, let me quickly add in a separator so that the output would be more readable for us, and then we will type in countries, which is the name of the list, and then call in something known as sort method. Now this sort method will accept a parameter. Now what's this parameter is something which we will discuss in detail in our forthcoming video, so don't worry about it. But as if now we will pass in null, and as soon as we pass in null, this sort method will sort these elements based on natural ordering. Now when it comes to natural ordering of a string, that's alphabetic order. If we check this example, list of countries, then Egypt would be placed first and then India would be placed at second position based on the alphabetic order. Likewise, the natural ordering of integers or floats are based on the numeric ordering, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 would be placed before 2. 2 would be placed before 3. So that's natural ordering in the data type integer, float, double, likewise. So we can order elements which are of primitive data type very easily. That's natural ordering, and that is something which Java can do for us. Now when we want to sort custom objects, then something extra, something special needs to be done. How we can sort custom objects is something which we will see in detail in our forthcoming video. As if now we have already sorted these countries. This is so simple, right? So we can definitely call in this print list method and check whether the sorting is done properly or not. So here is the original list and here is the sorted list. Egypt plays first, India is second, Poland is third, and USA is at last. Now for example, the sorting needs to be in the reversed order, or we want to reverse this current order of these elements. Then how we can do that? In that case, we will make use of something known as reverse method. So again, we will copy this line of code. I will add in a separator, and then I will make use of something known as collections. Now we are checking out collections framework. So in here we have this class known as collections, and then we have something known as reverse method. Now what we will reverse the current order of the countries. All right, so after reversal, let me show you what would be the output. Here we go. So first of all, here is our list, and then we have sorted this based on natural ordering, and then here is the reversed list. USA is the first country, which was the last country after sorting. Well, this is cool. Let me do one thing. Let me comment out sorting and then check whether this is working properly. The reversal is working properly or not. And here we go. So again, the reversal is working properly. Russia is the first country after reversal and India is the last country after reversal. Alright, so this is cool. Now friends, moving forward, let me show you one interesting thing. Now friends, this particular diagram is something which we have already seen. Now collections is the parent class for set, list, queue and dequeue, right? Now we have also a separate hierarchy where map and sorted map is shown, and what are map, what are sorted map is something which we will see in some separate video. As if now collection is the parent class for set, list, queue and dequeue is something which we need to know. Alright, so let's proceed further. Now friends, in here this reverse method is part of collections method, and the reason why we are able to make use of this reverse method is because collections is the parent class for this list class. So this is how we are able to make use of this reverse method. So this is cool. Now finally, can we make use of linked list in place of list? Definitely yes, because linked list is also list and it is also child for collections method, and the reverse method will again work and there won't be an issue. So this is all about today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and take care.